As of July, Elias Martinez had been placed on administrative leave from the Carroll Township Police Department. Today, a judge set a $25,000 supervised bail for Elias and his wife Shay and ruled that they have no unsupervised contact with anyone under the age of 18, victims or not, excluding their own children. Some of those parents were in the courtroom today, all of which have filed no contact orders against the couple. Elias and Shay Martinez were first investigated in October of 2024 after police received a Childline tip that they were giving alcohol to their 16-year-old child. Connie Fry sat in that preliminary hearing. She babysat Elias's children for over 13 years.
You have all these hard-working policemen out there that are doing their job, enforcing the law, like of underage drinking, and then here sits a cop that is having a party.
Court documents say police spoke with 3 other teenagers from the ages of 15 to 17, 2 of which were on Elias Martinez's baseball team at the time, who all admitted to drinking at the Martinez house, sometimes with Elias and Shay. One of the teens told police Shay told kids that when they drank too much, she offered to put her fingers down their throat to make them throw up. Documents also say another victim said they drank there 4 to 5 times a week and usually had around 8 cans of twisted teas, hard lemonades, or seltzers. They also alleged that Elias and Shay would drive them to the store to buy them the alcohol they wanted when they ran out.
A cop like this in the township, Dillsburg, should be livid, that being on a coaching team. You shouldn't be around any kids under the age of 18.
Elias and Shay Martinez have denied these claims, saying to police they may have let their child taste a sip of wine or have a drink on vacation, but that's it. They also told police any other alcohol was stolen by the teenagers behind their backs. Elias and Shay Martinez are now being charged with corruption and furnishing alcohol to minors. Police say they also received photos and videos from those teenagers at the Martinez's pool with alcohol depicted and those teenagers at that residence. Court documents also say that they received some of those photos from Elias Martinez's Snapchat. Elias and Shay will have to go through probation and parole services before their next court date, which is set to be November 5th. Live in Dillsburg, Bailey Martin, WGAL News 8.